Namaste guys, Ashish here for Namaste Tech, and we have Lenovo's Vibe K5 Note with us, which comes with a fingerprint scanner. The phone is also powered by Android 6.0, which has got native support, or basically APIs available for developers to leverage the fingerprint scanner and use it many further ways. Now, if we look at the settings of the K5 Note here, what you will find is that the fingerprint thing doesn't give you any other option apart from setting up your fingerprint here. So you can just make sure to unlock it with the fingerprint scanner, and there's nothing else. So the basic question lies, if you want to lock your apps using the fingerprint scanner, how do you do it? So for that, we need to use a third-party app called as AppLock. Setting up is pretty easy. All you need to do is set up a pattern, so make sure it is done, give an email ID available, and once done here, you can actually lock any of the apps. So for example, if I want to lock down my Play Store, all I can do is give it some permissions and lock it down. So I can have it locked here. I can unlock the setting part. So I'm going to do unlock. Now, if I go to the Play Store here, it will ask you to unlock it using a pattern. Now that said, if I want to unlock it using a fingerprint sensor, how do I do it? So go to AppLock again and draw the pattern. Switch to the Protect tab here, and you can see you have an option called as fingerprint lock. Enable this. Now once it's enabled, now if I again go to my Play Store here, now I'll try to give you a closer look here, and if you can see right here at the corner, there is a fingerprint icon over here. So if I go and put my finger there, it just unlocks it. So it's that easy. I'm going to show you that once again. I'm going to Play Store and use my finger to unlock this. Now it's pretty easy, it's pretty useful app. If any of the phone which doesn't implement or doesn't give you a native support for locking down app, you can use it on that phone as well. The only condition is you need Android 6.0 installed on that phone. Now, apart from providing app lock feature, the AppLock app also has got photo vault, video vault, profiles, and many more, which allows you to safeguard your photos and videos which are very, very personal to you. So make sure you are using this app if you have a fingerprint sensor on your phone and it is running on Android 6.0. So guys, thanks for watching this video. That's about how you can lock your apps using fingerprint sensor on Lenovo's Vibe K5 Note. Thanks for watching. Do hit the like button and share it with your friends who just bought this.